Wadhi nyime jotelo mopogore opogore mawuok e gwenge Kaluo ose jatend piny William Ruto kuom riembo e tich commissioners ang'wen mag IEBC kagiwacho ni en yor chulo kuoro ni ok ne gisire. Gimedo ni aput mar nono commissioners go odwa chuog moiriyore ahinya. Gavana Masia James Orengo medo ni jatend piny dhi ataro mar chik e chuga put mar nono duol mowinjo obed ni ochung' kar kende. Kamano bende gise agucho omenda mar Hustler Fund kagiwacho ni en mibadhi maduong' mabiro.
Appointed a tribunal to look into the affairs concerning the 4 commissioners. I want to say without fear of contradiction that had these 4 supported the outcome of the elections, they will not be taken to the tribunal. They are being persecuted for the decision that they made under the Constitution. The Constitution says you cannot be punished if you are making a decision on the basis of powers and authority and jurisdiction granted upon a constitutional holding officer. The Ruto government is undermining the Constitution of Kenya, which gave sovereignty to the people of Kenya. That Hustler Fund is a great fraud. And you're going to know in the fullness of time. They want to invade provident funds and this Hustler Fund. Sadaka, imiyo, Ruto.
You may have your way on vindicating, castigating and bringing down the Cherera 4. And you want to play vengeance with the just concluded elections. The Bible says that vengeance belongs to the Lord. You may use the floor of the House. You may use a tribunal, President Ruto. But what I want to tell you, that in the governance of this country and of the world, God has the final say.